Hey yo, it's Bayo Adio, the Nigerian nomad. You are welcome to the show.
American roots, but Niger is where I'm at. With my people by my side, we chasing dreams and catching flights.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American on YouTube. I hope that you guys are doing fantastic. So today starts a new series of me featuring apartments and shortlets that you can come and rent in Lagos for a short time when you're coming to visit, whether on vacation, business trip, or whatever. And by the way, if you guys have apartments that you'd like me to feature on my channel, reach out to me in the email underneath this video or the phone number, and we can chat about how I can feature your apartment. But for now, I want to start with featuring this fully loaded 4-bedroom, luxurious, fully detached home in the Lekki area, specifically close to the Osakpa, London, Jakande area. So I'd say drive-wise, like 5 to 10 minutes from Lekki Phase 1 is where we are at. All right, let's go check out the house. So there's going to be a lot of things that we're featuring here. First is the curb appeal. So you can see there's 3 palm trees, there's a small garden, just to kind of welcome you into this environment of the house. And then when you come here, there is an automatic gate opener. So you don't need like a gatesman or somebody to be opening and closing the door for you. The gates will just automatically slide out and in when you press this button. Security-wise, before we even go inside, let's talk about security-wise. The estate itself is controlled with gated access, there is armed policemen there. There is regular guys that control access. You need a code to get in here, so nobody can come and visit you. Outside of that security, you also now have your own private gated compound as well. Come on in. Then, as we're talking about security, there's also cameras. So you have cameras 360 in the house. You have one camera there, one camera there, another camera there, another security CCTV camera there. So you are covered 360. And again, as we're talking about security, as you guys will see, there is electrical fence that goes all throughout the compound. So security-wise, which I know is one of the top things for people that want to rent a shortlet in Nigeria, you are fully covered. And this being a luxurious house, you also get your own private parking spot. You don't have to be looking for parking with people or asking people where to park. You just bring your car in, and this place can take 2 to 3, actually 3. 2 cars here, 1 car here. All right? So we're good on the external. Let's talk about the second concern. Number 1 concern is security. Number 2 concern is what does the power and electrical looks like. So we have 2 backup systems in this house. We have number 1 source of power is from the grid, and number 2 source of power is the solar panels that's on top of the roof. Those solar panels, we have enough to power you throughout the whole day without needing NEPA, gen, or battery. The solar panels themselves powers the house, full AC, full everything. So you're secured. And then at night time, we have the batteries. We have 40 kV batteries inside, which I'm going to show you. And then if the batteries deplete, we now have another complete backup system. This one is emergency backup. If there's no NEPA and for some reason there's a battery, we have this 30 kV system that we can use. So you're guaranteed 24 hours of power supply in this community. Let's go. So we've addressed security. We've addressed electricity. So this is gas cooker. I'm just showing you guys around. This is all of our changeover systems that's outside. Now, when you rent this duplex, this home, we have a BQ here that is for a staff that is going to be dedicated to every single need that you have. So anytime you rent this place, you actually get a full-time dedicated staff that would be here to help you with anything that you need. So that is always a cool feature as well. All right, let's go. So now that you guys have seen inside, we're going to go outside. And before we go inside, there is also on the ceiling, we have a centralized hot water heater system. So one of the things that people come from abroad is some of them, they ask, do we have hot water? So we have a centralized solar powered hot water system that pipes into every room of the house. All right, so now that we've talked about infrastructure, let's go and check out the inside. All right. Oh, it's cool in here. So when you first walk in here, just to give you guys a sense of space, you have electrical, a smart lock system. So we'll give you a code that you can use to access. And if anybody needs to come in, whether it's a cleaner or a guest or anybody that you need to access your house, we can also create a code for them. This is good in tracking who is coming in and out with what code. And you don't need to be asking for keys, dropping keys off with security, putting keys under the carpets for someone. Everything is fully digitized. All right. So here's the veranda area that you can sit. You can use it to take off your shoes. And if you have like, I don't know, maybe like somebody or whatever driver guest that needs to use the restroom, they do not even have to come to your private space before they can use the restroom. So there's a hand washing basin and there's a restroom there. All right, guys, welcome to the beautiful space. Woo! All right, so this is the living room downstairs, and there is also another upstairs lounge. As you guys can see, there is seating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this space is designed to be like an entertainment space. But there's also another bench that you can use here to add more seating area, just in case you guys are playing around the table. And outside of that space, this is designed as an open concept kitchen. So when you guys have guests, you can be watching a football game or a movie. People can be here having wine, having cheese, having jollof rice, whatever. So there's also an island that people can sit on to also socialize. So this makes this space, you can fit like 10 people easily entertain on this space. So that's good. So here's the kitchen. So the kitchen is fully loaded. We have pots, plates, wine glasses, drinking glasses, plenty of coffee glasses, tea glasses, so many of them. We even have plenty of pots. So if you guys are into cooking, look at these cool pots. We have 2 big pots. We have a 5-burner stove. Check this out. We have pots, we have knives, we have hot water maker, we have blenders. We even have this backup internet system for when the other system are acting up. So open concept kitchen, we have a washer and a dryer. You can wash your dry outside or you can wash and dry. We have big fridge, so you can have your full family fully entertained. You can have freezer, fridge, fully loaded kitchen, fully loaded. And I know another thing that people are concerned about when they come to the island. We've talked about security. We've talked about electricity. Now let's talk about water. This house comes with its own dedicated water treatment facility. So that means this house itself has its own water treatment. I'll prove it to you guys. No brown water here, no brown water. Look at this. Clean water. So that is not anything you guys have to worry about here. Now, the 40 kV battery solar inverter system I was talking to you guys about earlier, let's check it out. So this is the engine room. You guys can see 20 kV, 2 inverter systems. Fully loaded, fully loaded. So the house is fully loaded, guys. So that is the downstairs. So the way this house is set up, there's 1 bedroom downstairs and 3 bedroom upstairs, which makes 4 bedroom. So this downstairs can be like a guest room or whatever you want to use it for. But outside of that, if you are a remote worker, you work online, you have to stay connected. Check this out. We have 2 sitting area for you guys. So you can plug your laptop here and you can work. So if people are sleeping upstairs doing whatever, you can literally work here. And if you are 2, there's 2 workstations. So somebody else can work here, you can work here. So you have a full workstation available to you guys. Let's take a tour of the first room. So each room comes with its own bathroom. So there's no need to be waiting for somebody to finish using the bathroom before they can use it. It comes with its own closet right here, 2 places to hang, to fold clothes. This comes with a fan on the times where you just want to use the fan and you don't want to use the AC. Each room comes with its own TV as well. Even if there's no space for TV, we still put it anyway, like right here. Ta-da! So kids, if you want them to stay in the room, watch cartoons, and this is the bathroom of room number 1. Check it out. Very clean and modern bathroom. All right, guys, that is room number 1 downstairs. Now let's go check out room upstairs. Let's go up. Let's go up. All right, so we're up here. Beautiful light pieces. You guys can literally have a full entertainment space here. So outside of the one downstairs, you also have the one upstairs. You can sit, watch TV, do whatever you want. All right, so there's 3 bedrooms up here. Let's go check out the 2 bedrooms and then we'll wrap up with the master. Come on. So check out this bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. Fully fitted. Guess what? Another workstation upstairs for you guys that need a space to put your laptop and work. Full closet for 2 people. So you have hanging, drying, everything. You have a full-size bed. No, this is not full-size. This is like almost like a queen or king size. Lamps on each side to plug your phone. Dressers. Plenty of room for storage. You have dressers. You can put all types of stuff in here. All right. And its own TV. And its own bathroom and toilets. Check it out. From Lekki to green paradise. Rediscover Niger, together we will rise. If you remember to rise and let your light shine bright. All right, so that's bedroom number 2. Let's go check out bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 is here. Ta-da! Another workstation, its own AC, its own TV, its own dresser, big bed, 2 lamps, fully loaded. And this place also comes with its own bathroom and toilets. Check it out. Big size. Very, very clean. All right, so now let's go check out the master bedroom. Ta-da! This is the master bedroom. Look at this room. This even has the biggest bed of them all, because you know, it's gotta be a room fit for a king and a queen. And this is the only room that has a sitting area. So if you wanna sit here, have some conversation, chat, have some tea, whatever, you can look outside, see what's happening. It's also quite nice. This one has its own TV wall. There's a lot of features in the master bedroom. The biggest one is the walk-in closet. Let's check out this walk-in closet. Ta-da! Beautiful, luxurious walk-in closet with glasses, full-length mirrors. Just amazing. Plenty of space to put your gele, your shoes, your everything. Let me check out. Guys, a full-length mirror. See? You can check yourself out, check your makeup, and it's a secret. It's a secret. Also hide some stuff back here. There we go. It's cool, right? All right. So another cool feature of this master bedroom is it's the master bath. It has 2 unique features in this bathroom. Let me show you guys. So feature number 1, a tub. So I am 6'4" and I can easily fit into this tub. You can take a bubble bath. I'm relaxed already being here. All right, so that is feature number 1. Toilets, boom, boom, nothing underneath, very nice. And the bathroom has 2 shower heads. So you and your significant other can like take a shower there. So very, very cool. There's more. This master bath has its own balcony. The only room with a balcony in the house. Come and check it out. So you can hang out here if you just want to just chill. And this balcony is very, very spacious. So it's quite nice as well. All right, that concludes the tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom duplex home in the Lekki area. So, how much is this? I know it's the question that is coming on like to the top of everybody's mind. So this place rents anywhere from like 200,000 naira a day per night to 350,000 naira per night. Or in dollars is equivalent to like 150 to 200 bucks a night. But keep in mind this for a 4-bedroom, fully detached home. Perfect for people with large families, or if you're just one that likes space. So if you're interested, click on the link below. We have our Airbnb link, we have our phone number, we have our WhatsApp, we have our email. Whatever way you feel comfortable, you can come and enjoy this beautiful apartment in Lagos, Nigeria. Check out my playlist for you guys that want other choices. We have anywhere from like 50,000 naira per day apartments to fully luxurious apartments like this one. So you just pick whichever one fits your budget. Check out my playlist called Where to Stay in Lagos. I'll have plenty of short-let apartments in there that I would feature. If you also have a short-let apartment that you would like for me to feature, reach out to me, and I'll also like to feature your own as part of this series. Thank you guys so much for watching. And lastly,